Morning, Pashley. Hope you've all had a lovely weekend, and it's time for our daily phonics lesson. So I'm going to start sharing my screen. Just about getting there. There we are. So let's pop some bubbles. Let's start with blue. That's ow. Do you remember there's another one for that as well, for some of you to remember? Oh, that's right. For phone. Or E. U or oo. That's right, two sounds, U or oo. I. Remember, that's three letter shapes that make the one sound I. It's our trigraph, I. A. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at another trigraph. Do you remember three letter shapes there? Three letters make one sound, trigraph. Air, that's right, air, as in air, fair. So let's see what's underneath the hearts today, because is that not the only way of doing air? Oh, now this one we often go ear. So why have I put an ear with an air sound? Have a chat about that. Have a pause and think, see if you can work out why those three letters are there if I'm doing the air sound. Pause the video. Should we have a look what's under here? Look at that. So I've got a word, bear. So it's the air sound, but it's spelt with that E-A-R. So what about over here then? Mrs. Burton, I must be losing the plot. I can't have another air, can we? Let's have a look. Yes, it is another air. Can you think of any words with that air? Have a think. Let's have a look. Air, care. So the sound today is air, but there are three different ways of spelling our air sound. Three different ways. So I've sent the links in Dojo. So we've got the first one, that fun song with all the air sounds in there. And then the second link I sent you was Mr. Thorne teaching you the different ways of what words you can make with the air sound. So pause your video and have a look at the video, have a look at those video links that I've sent you. Okay. So we're going to, remember, we like to read it in our head now, don't we? And the saying we go, read in the head. So you have a go, read it in your head. I'm going to carry on doing this though. Chair. That's right. Chair. Chair. Bear. 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 Rare. Rare. I have to say that. Wearing. Wearing. Now, remember, these are our monster words, but the sound we're doing today is the air. Oops. So we put the f together to make a frere. So remember, put these three together quickly. Oh, not very good with this today. We've got spread. And the last one, dret. Did you get all of those? So I have 4 pictures for you to do today. Here are your 3 air sounds at the bottom. You've got to decide if you think it has this air, or this air. Sorry, and you might just have to write the word and put one of the airs in and have a look at it. Does that look right or not? And you might have to get help from mums and dads to help you on this one. So pause your video and write those words into your sentences. Don't forget your capital letters, your finger spaces, and your full stop. Pause now. I got a lot of children saying they're enjoying the bingo game. So get your board ready or piece of paper, split it into half, and then 6 sections we're going to have like usual. I'm going to put the sounds and the words up here for you. So pause the video while you choose which 6 you're going to have. Okay, you got your 6. Let's see. Have you got this one? Care. Cross it off if you've got it. Have you got tear? Rip a bit of paper up, tear. Have you got air? Remember, it's not the ear. I just went to do my ear because I'm so used to that being ear. This one is air today. Have you got that air? Bear. Has anyone got all 4? Fairy. F-air. And this is the E sound. When you have that at the end of the word, it makes an E sound. Fairy. Has anyone got all 5? Just waiting for one more for bingo. Let's go in the middle. Chair. 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 Has anyone got bingo yet? Let's keep going. Stare. Now this stare is if I'm staring at you with my eyes. Stare. Anyone else got bingo now? Let's keep going. Air. Ooh, lots of you are getting bingo now. And the last one, so everyone can shout bingo at me, is our last air. Fantastic. So I know you've done lots already, so don't worry if you don't want to do this. But pause your video. No, yep. If you want to play the roll and read with the air, it's a bit blurry. You have to Google these things. And this is what I could find for the air sound. So if you want to play roll and read, pause your video now. So it's getting quite tricky with our phonics. We've nearly done all the phase 5 phonics now. And this is the air sound that we're doing. It's a trigraph with 3 letters in it to make air. So go back and watch the videos, listen to the song again, play the bingo again if you want to, and I'll see you tomorrow with another sound. Okay, see you tomorrow.